Now, joy in one case of a baby being returned and hope in another for the same outcome. But the circumstances are very much different, and the baby in question has been missing for the last 5 years. However, the story of baby Serbian being returned to his parents today has brought mixed emotions for the families still waiting for their own child to return. TVJ's Kirk Wright has been tracking their story.
Chris Neve Bloomfield and his wife Yanisha have spent the better part of the last 5 years hoping that one day their baby who was snatched from their home in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, will be returned. They are both hopeful that someday they will see their daughter alive again, but doubts linger.
Because nothing has been showing up. Nothing has been coming around to show light, to give me encouragement that, yeah, she's coming back home. But it's just the faith that I'm holding on to deep down inside, because sometimes I just give up and say, I just don't think I don't know what else to do.
News that the 1-month-old baby who was stolen from the Victoria Jubilee Hospital has now been reunited with its parents has triggered mixed emotions for the Bloomfields.
I'm really happy that she has found back her child. But way down deep down inside, I'm still wondering, what about mine? Is mine going to come home? Day goes by, days come in, any children thing that is happening, it's like I'm scared to go around it, to be around it, because the impact that it has on me, when I start to look back, my child is not here.
And as I watch the news, seeing even last night how this lady got back her child, a part of me was rejoicing with her. But a part of me was very sad, knowing that I don't know nothing, not even a closure.
The Christian couple spends countless hours reaching out to God, hoping to get answers and directions to finding their child. But still, no clue. The couple says the situation has changed their lives. Mrs. Bloomfield added that it has shaken her faith.
Sometimes as a Christian, I get so discouraged that not even pray, I don't want to pray. I get angry with God because I'm saying, God, I am your child, and yet still I'm in this situation, and I'm seeing no light whatsoever. And then sometimes I have to just humble myself and trust Him that He will make a way for me.
Now, as you've heard from Samunia's parents, it's drawing close to 5 years now since their daughter was snatched from home, and they have no clue as to where she is. And that for them has been a very painful experience. They say the church has been their saving grace. The church has been there for them, especially in light of what they've said is that the authorities have given them very little support in helping to find their daughter. So now the couple is asking for the police commissioner to intervene and strengthen the efforts to find their daughter, who would be 9-year-old if she's alive.
If you have any children whatsoever, or young relative, family with children, you must understand how I'm feeling right now. Just do a little steering here and there and help us to bring back Samuna, because enough has not been doing for Samuna Bloomfield to come back home.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.